Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will create HTML page and display this on browser with the help of nodejs. Let's start code. I have opened my code editor and here I have index.js file and package.json file in which I already install Express package. First, I import express.js module. Next, I create Express application. Then, choose a port where you want to run your application. I choose 5000. Next, create a folder and give a name public to it. In this folder I create a home.html file. In this file, first I write a basic HTML code. Next, I use h1 tag. In this tag I write homepage. Again I create another file in public folder, which name about.html. In this file, first I write basic HTML code, then in this I use h1 tag. In this tag I write about page. Next, I import built-in node.js path module, which helps with handling file paths. Next I create public path variable. Next, I use join method. This method is used to join multiple path segments into a single normalized path. Next, I use __dirname. __dirname is a special node.js variable that represents the absolute path of the directory containing the currently executing script file. Then, I write the name of our public folder. Next, I use appuse method. Next, I use express static. The express static middleware function takes the path to the directory containing static files as an argument. So, here we pass our public path variable. Now, open your terminal and run index.js file. Now open your browser and run application. Here, you can see I cannot get anything. Now write in url/home.html. Here, you can see I successfully rendering HTML page on browser using nodejs. Next, I render about page. For this I write /about.html. You see I get about page successfully. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.